Let's hope this will work.
Why did the light go out?
What light?
The light on the switch.
Living the dream, they say.
Oh, living the dream, living the dream every day.
That's what they say.
That's it.
Yeah.
Gotta live the dream. Where's Hickman?
I think it's over there. It's in the house.
What, over there in the bush?
Yep.
Bush already. Oh, I'm good. Say when?
Now.
Okay, try her.
Well, it's working. Whoa! Oh no! Beer! Save the beer! Is it supposed to put out this stuff? Don't care. If she's running, she's going. Let's get her moving. Craziness. Jeez. Looks like it's smoking. Is she supposed to do this? Danny, what's wrong with it? Whoa! It's burning fuel, that's for sure. We're gonna kill the trees! Look at how fast that's moving. Whoa! I'm gonna friggin' die. Is that cool, Tegan?
Yeah.
You know it's not that good for the vehicle, right? It's just gotta burn it. Hasn't been running in a couple years. There's steam coming out of the mower. Yeah, it's coming out of the mower. Don't breathe it in. It's bad. I know it smells good, but it's bad.
That smells good.
I love the smell of fumes, but it's terrible for you. You stupid bug. There, now it's off high switch, so it's not burnt. It shouldn't be burning with that anymore. Do you think we can blow it away? Oh, it's working. It's gone. A little bit's still coming out, just a little. That's natural. I made a real smart move over here. Pour the beer. Blurb. Take that fan off if I were you. So we don't need any parts or nothing, do we?
I think it's got the lifter in here that the plastic did. The whole hydraulic lifter, yeah.
So it might go away.
It might, yeah.
Yeah, it's not gonna make a vroom vroom noise. It's gonna make a diesel sort of noise. I don't know if you. Oh, sorry, take it. I don't know if you guys can hear this, but I'm gonna shove this under here. See how heavy this is. That's some heavy stuff. Excuse me, Grampy. pull it. You just have to touch it.
That's right.
Very, very little. Unlike in Lee's truck, you actually have to pull it down and it clicks and then it honks.
You want to do it? All right, you can do it too.
Holding a good vacuum.
You want to do it again?
Do it again.
You can do it by the horn on the steering wheel too. Boom!
Don't you fucking off on me.
What's up there, Slim?
Everything. Hard?
Yeah, sure.
That's from working out.
Nice.
Exactly. Now it's
Oh,
recording.
then they'd be just nice.
Deposit. So that there was my grandpa's truck. Apparently he's making fun of me for saying high notch, but high notch, yeah, whatever. But yeah, it was just my grandpa's truck, and yeah, tomorrow night it's party time. Look at this. Even got a fire pit. It's not quite ready yet. There's just wood scavenged everywhere. Yep. Even down there, it's just freaking everywhere. What's happening again? You gonna drive it now? There, try that. Wanna do it again?
You're not having.
Yeah, I put it there for a reason. Again. Don't touch it.
Take her down off.
That was sweet.
I'm gonna check this.
How was that one? God knows what he has back there, but yep. Blurb, blurb. Blurb, blurb. Blurb, blurb.
And other runs other things too. I don't know what all runs.
What noise? What are these here for?
The
No, that was funny. I guess it's the Brum of Dodge. You want to bet, boy? How fast can you run? Show me how fast you can run. Show me how fast you can run. How fast can you run? Come on, you can go faster than that.
Oh.
Teaching my little nephew or cousin or whatever. Dun-dun. Dun-dun. Okay.
That's an iPhone 6?
Run! Hey, he told me to run, not sprint. So there you go. As easy as that. Why? 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 Why is it? Why do people do it? I don't get it. Again? Fine. Was that fast enough?
No. Not fast
Faster.
enough.
Faster. One more time.
Yeah. Are you killing my teachers? Do it. knock you over.
You can't knock me over. Try it. Try to knock me over. Hi. You're just pushing me around. Here, now try it. Try it now, boy.
Knock over, man.
You're not that strong, not yet. Someday you'll be stronger than me and you can push me to the floor.
Ah!
Oh. Jeez, you're strong. Oh. Oh. Don't you fall. Run! Run from the beast! Playing with cousins, man. Fun, but then on the other side boring. Yes. I think I just lost Hagen. Oh, here he comes. I don't think he knows where I am. He's gonna kill me once again. This is hard. I surrender. I surrender. Here, I'll drop it. I'll drop it.
No.
I surrender. I surrender.
You're so loud.
Just don't step on that.